Hey there, everybody, and welcome back to another installment of Wildcard Wednesday. So here's the deal. If you don't know, we're rolling the die, and whichever number comes up is the pack that we pick. We've got Rocketeer, E.T., Empire Strikes Back from Topps Wide Vision, which is super cool. Pack of 18 cards, Terminator 2, and the Young Indiana Jones Chronicles, which maybe has been a part of Wildcard Wednesday since the very beginning and has yet to be pulled. So here we go, 1 through 6. And it's going to be number 3. So awesome. We're going to get into the wide vision cards. Now these are really cool. I actually collected these back in the day when they came out. I'm a big-time Star Wars fan and was buying all sorts of Star Wars stuff, action figures and all that. And so when these came out, I would pick these up and thought they were awesome. I think they're great-looking cards. So when I started doing this channel, I knew that eventually I'd like to open a pack of these. So I got one pack, and we're finally going to get to open them. Hopefully they're not bricked. When are these from? So these are from 95. So, and I think, I don't know whatever happened to them, but I think I had almost a complete set. Because I wasn't collecting any kind of cards at the time other than these. So I liked them so much. All right, so here we go. Snow Trench on Hoth, and just look at these cards. We got the cool rainbow logo there, and they are just really cool cards. Unfortunate corner ding, but that's probably going to be difficult with oversized cards. Nice info on the back. We got some concept art. Yeah, some Joe Johnston concept art. So yeah, just really cool cards. All right, next up, Luke Snowspeeder interior. Great shot. Ah, man. Probably just going to end up sticking all these on little stands just so we can see them. There's Hoth taking out the probe droid. Medical Center, awkward kiss. Whew. Aged like cheese. That's a cool shot of the back of the tank with Luke in it. Man, these are really, really cool. Imperial Fleet. Ah, the Super Star Destroyer Executor. That Darth Vader's Star Destroyer there. That was probably still is, like, that's my favorite ship in Star Wars. Just the massive scale is just awesome to me. Back of Darth Vader's head. I mean, it's cool for me because I'm a fan. That's maybe not the coolest card. There's the Super Star Destroyer again. Just the scale, man. That's awesome. And we finish off with the ion cannon there on Hoth. So, very Hoth heavy pack. That's all right. Yeah, these are just some really great looking cards. A lot of fun. If you ever see a pack of these out in the wild, I recommend it because it's just fun to open, especially if you are like me and are a big Star Wars fan. So, thanks for hanging out and watching this episode, my friends, and I will see you next time.